Hi guys, thanks for joining and subscribing to my Patreon. I'm gonna teach you today how to do free spins on Wizard of Oz slots. It's a game by Zanga. So we'll just go into the game now. We're going to use Cheat Engine for this one, and eventually, if things work out well, and if this goes right, then I'll do more videos. I'll do more things with Charles and probably give away prizes and things like that. So we'll see how this goes. But this game, usually I get a lot of requests for this game, so I decided I might as well just teach people how to make their own cheats for it, instead of me making trainers and updating trainers all the time for this game. Sometimes as well with this game it's a bit slow to load. There we go. But yeah, I think that's the best way for me to do it, is make videos over here and teach people here how to make their own cheats for games, and I will take requests and things like that, and I'll do what I can if I can. I mean, not every game is it's not possible to hack every game, so, or to make cheats for every game, but I'll always try my best. So as you can see there, I have a lot of credits already. This isn't my main account really for playing the game, and I don't really play this game anyway. There's other things that I can teach on this game as well. How to multiply your credits, one after free spins and the bonus rounds, by 50,000 or 500,000. It really depends. If it's too big, it won't go through. But I can teach all that. Depends how this video goes. If I get enough people, that are interested in this, then I can keep on going, and hopefully you guys will like it, and hopefully it'll be good for all of us, for me, for you guys. So we'll get started here now. I'm not sure. I'll turn on some sound anyway. We leave the music off. I'll put on a little bit of sound. Alright, so I usually start off anyway, just at the very. You know what? I'll turn down the sound actually, because that's very loud. Alright, so I usually start off at the first level on the game to do free spins, and I'll explain everything step by step what I'm doing. Ah, Jesus, sorry, I'm just after going into the wrong one. Get over that. Alright, so we'll go into this one. Before we even pull up Cheat Engine or anything, you want to just go straight into the game. So we'll go into Doherty's and Toto, or Doherty and Toto. Right, and sometimes this could take a while as well, and you have to have a bit of patience for it. I'd usually go bet the lowest possible, which is that. So next you want to go up to the top of the browser. I'm using Chrome now. I think it's probably the easiest one now to use for this game. It's a lot harder to make the trainers and things like that now for these type of games, and especially when there's no flash player on them anymore. So we want to right click on the top of the browser, and you want to go to Task Manager, and we want to look for it's not Wizard of Oz on Facebook, it's the subframe HTTPS. This is this one here, from what I can remember anyway. It's definitely that one, yeah. So the process ID is 7588. So we're just going to pull up the calculator, or Cheat Engine. You can do the same on Cheat Engine, but you can pull up the calculator, and you want to make sure you're on Programmer. So click up here, and there's your standard calculator, but we want the Programmer. You can see there it's on decimal, so 7588. 7588, which is 1D A4 in hex. So that's what we're going to look for in Cheat Engine. Let me see what that was. 1D A4. There we go. So we want to open that one. So we're connected to that now. Also, what I like to do as well, we're going to have to use this advanced option anyway to pause the game. So just to see if it will pause the game, I like to just make sure that is working. So I can't spin, I can't do nothing. So that's how you know you're definitely on the right process for this. And we'll unpause it. Right, and we close this for now, but we are going to need this later to pause the game down in advanced options. So we're going to need this for when we're doing the free spins. Alright, so we're going to play the game now until we get our bonus free spins, because that's what we need, that's what we're going to try hack. So we just let that spin away now. And hopefully we're not waiting too long. Sometimes this could go on for too long, so maybe I'll pause it until I get free spins, which might be the best idea. So I think I'll just pause it, because I don't want this video going on forever. Obviously you're going to get bored if you're sitting around watching it and nothing's happening. So I'll pause it until we get free spins, and I'll guide you along through the rest of it. Alright, so we finally got free spins after about 20 minutes or 25 minutes or something like that. So I'm sure you didn't really want to be waiting through all that. So I've the game paused, just so I can give a quick explanation of things. So I'll unpause it there now, and then I'm going to pause it again. Alright, so you can see there where we have 10 free spins, and one free spin is used already. So with this game, it's not really the number that you see. It's not one spin, like you don't search for one. So you search for how many spins you have left, which would be 9. So we have 9 spins left. So we're going to do a first scan on 4 bytes for 9 because we have 9 left. So it's like searching backwards in a way. So 9, and now we're going to unpause it until the next spin and pause it again. So we have 8. So we have 8 spins left. So on 8, next scan. So there's one result there only. So unpause again, and hopefully that'll change to 7. Yep. So that's the one. So with this, obviously, we want to make a script for it, and you're always going to want to use this. You might have to update it from time to time. So right click on it here, and we'll find out what writes to the address, and unpause the game now again. Alright, so that's what's writing to the address. As well, you can see 10 spins here, and some of the other levels only give 8 free spins. So when we're writing our script, we have to take that into account as well. So we'll go with this now. We go show disassembler, tools, auto assemble, template, and ARB injection. And there's no need to name that either. The other thing as well with this, for this game and any other Facebook game, is that you need to use a 32-bit browser. So like with the 64-bit browsers, you're not going to be able to make scripts, and they're not going to always work, because the addresses are always changing, and there's no way to stop it. I've tried, and I'm sure many others have tried. So 32-bit browser all the time. Let me just clear off that. Alright, so EDX here anyway is holding the value, and it's the value of 6. So we have 6 pins left, and that's what EDX is holding. So we just want to move EDX, and I just use the hash symbol then, and we want to move that 6. So I would say 7, because of other levels only giving 8 spins, so you don't want to overdo it. So 7 should be fine. And we go file, assign to current sheet table, and we'll name that unlimited free spins, or just free spins. Alright, so let me just make that smaller. Alright, so we'll enable, actually we'll just enable the script, make that bigger actually because we can't see the free spins. So now we'll just unpause the game and let's see, do we have free spins, unlimited free spins. So it's down to 3 there. As you can see, 7, it's always going to be 7 left there now. So we have 7 spins all the time, so it's just going to keep going and going until you're ready to stop it. So you can close that, close that, and I will save it as well. We'll just save it onto the desktop. And we can delete that now as well. And we don't need that anymore. So as you can see, it's spinning away. Leave it spin as long as you want. Maybe in the next video I can show you how to multiply the winnings of free spins or the bonuses by 50,000 or whatever you like. But if you go too high on it, sometimes it won't register, so you won't want to go too high. So we'll see how this video goes and how the Patreon goes, and you know, if everybody likes it, then I'll do more. So I appreciate you guys subscribing, and look forward to the future. And